see how we do. I used to love this ride as a kid. Oh my gosh, it was my favorite. Now that I drive for real, it's not quite the same, but whoa, I'm terrible at it. I am driving with my left hand and the steering wheel's on the wrong side of the car. Those are my two defenses. Sticking with that. But this is such a fun ride to take your kids on, and it's awesome to come at night because the wait time is shorter. A lot of people have already gone home, and it's not so hot. Like, the track is just out in the open, so like the wait time is out in the sun, the track is out in the sun, and like look, they even like light up like all these cool little space things out here to like make it fun. There's a plane that crashed into the water tank. I don't know. I think it brings back a lot of nostalgia. But if you do take your kids on the ride, if they want to steer, even if they just go back and forth on this little track in the middle, let them steer. Like, I loved it when my dad did that for me. He would put his foot down on the gas pedal because I was too short to reach it, and then he'd let me steer, and I was like the worst steerer. I was like boom, 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 and I'm sure he hated it because it was like the most jolty, jerky ride ever. But to me, it was like, I'm driving, this is so cool. And so let your kids do it, like if they want to. If they're little and they just want to sit next to you, that's fine. But I'm telling you, I have so many fond memories of this ride. And no, you're not supposed to bump anybody behind you. That is very bad. You do have bumpers, but like they are not cushion bumpers. Like, it's like a piece of metal. So don't be like that. Ooh, I feel like we're off-roading. Like, check it out, man. I'm not even on a road anymore. Woo-hoo. I don't know. I feel like I'm out here by myself. The woman and her little girl took a little while to get out of the car in front of me. And so all the cars took off without me. And so here I am, tooling along. It's all good. You can see it's like a nice long track, but it is usually like a really long line because of that. Because if you're going to be driving a car for like, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, I don't know how long the track is, then it makes sense that the line's going to take a longer time because, dude, everybody's out on the track for a while. But in my opinion, Disneyland's Autopia is so much better than Disney World. Disney World, you're going around like a racetrack, and like Disneyland, you have like this cool scenery, a couple of different tracks. Oh, sponsored by an airplane, that makes a lot more sense. Ooh. And we don't want to hit the car in front of us. Now, you also don't want to choke your car. So sometimes your car like conks out on you. Hopefully that doesn't happen to us. Woo! And you can see it takes a while to stop. So like this is the time that it's dangerous where you might accidentally hit a car. And that's why they say leave a car length between you, because I almost hit the car in front of me just like trying to like ease up. So even though like I know how to drive, I'm terrible on Autopia. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun blast from the past. It's brought back so many good memories. Make sure that you check out Autopia. If you're an OG like Disneylander like I was and came as a kid, like it's gonna bring back a lot of really good memories